Can the receivers get far enough down the field?
Rodgers in trouble.
It's going to get there.
He turned 32 yesterday. Does he have a vintage moment in him? In the end zone, it is caught for the win. Richard Rodgers.
He didn't even have the ball cocked and ready to go. Here we go. Dalton going for it all. Tipped in the air, caught by the Bengals. A.J. Green.
The end zone or a quick out route to try to get in field goal range. Looks like they're going to go deep. Dalton to the end zone, down the field, and it is deflected and caught! Touchdown! A.J. Green!
What a play. Look at this bundle of guys, and A.J. Green just staying alive. Once that ball's tipped, those guys can pull him down, grab him, keep him away. 3 Browns.
And they're trying to.
It's looking for a stop. They're going to air it out. Rodgers does this better than anybody. End zone, Cobb, touchdown! Unbelievable!
For this Bears team, if it's Jake Cutler, you know they're going to try to take a shot.
Here he is eluding the pressure, and you are exactly right. Chucking it up into the end zone, and it's caught for the touchdown! Holy cow, Cameron Meredith!
Gerard steps up. Fires, Mike Sims, Walker, knocked down. Oh, he caught it! Oh, unbelievable! Mike Thomas, touchdown Jags! Boom!
Starks, they are going to bring pressure again. Rodgers is going to roll away, throws it up in the air, says a prayer, and Janis, does he stop it? Oh, please!
What a catch!
That's insane!
In the pocket, looking, there's the Hail Mary, headed for the end zone, and it is caught for a touchdown! Caught for a touchdown! I don't believe it!
Offensive lineman, and he doesn't get fazed by it. They find a way. Winston puts it up top, all the way to the end zone, and it is... It's caught for a touchdown! How about that? Austin.
Ready. Hail Mary time here, 4 seconds. When he got the snap, here comes the rush. He heaves it deep. Oh, it's caught! Touchdown! Aiken!
Going to get it done. Flacco stepping up and throwing deep down the far sideline. Caught! Into the end zone! Touchdown, Jacoby Jones!
12 seconds to go in the game. Niners lead by 4. Barr back to pass, pumps to the left. 8 seconds left. He gets away from the pressure, fires to the end zone. It's caught! It's Greg Lewis! Touchdown! Oh my heavens! Greg Lewis! Welcome to Minnesota! Oh my heavens!
The game's final play is a Wilson loft to the end zone, which is fought for by Tate with Jennings simultaneous. Who has it? One guy goes up, touchdown. The other said no time.
How does MD Jennings not get credit for the interception? I have no idea.
He is going to throw. Drew Pearson. He got it. Touchdown.
2 receivers left and right. McCown takes the snap. He steps up. He's all by himself. Fires into the end zone. Caught! Touchdown! No! No! The Cardinals have knocked the Vikings out of the playoffs!
Left, first down, Cleveland 46. 3 wide receivers right, Kramer back to pass. He's going deep, down the right side, and it is fought for, and it is touchdown! Touchdown! Rashawn!
It's like the last shot for Seattle. Kept out of the end zone all day. Boykin is going to heave it from the 50 to the end zone, and it is caught for a Seattle touchdown with zeros on the clock.